Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to fill in the vaccination details of a particular employee within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can simply click on the complete profile button within the landing page for the particular employee whose details need to be updated. From the various categories which need to be filled, the vaccination category can be selected and the corresponding fields are displayed. Here, the phase of vaccination, the name of the vaccine, and the dates of the vaccines which were administered to the employee are filled. If additional vaccines were taken by the employee, the same details can be updated and removed as well. Once done, the user can click on the Save and Next option and the vaccination details of the employee is filled in successfully. In the complete profile percentage, the percentage is increased as well. Thank you for watching.